My name is Shaikh Sultan and I'm basically from Pakistan. So I was working in research for quite many years. After I finished my master's studies, I went to Dubai to work for BioAt, and then I continued my studies there in different research projects, and then I went to Turkey for some time, spent some time there, work in different projects, and then I got a position available in University of Ferrara. So I came here for my doctoral studies. So that's how I came here, and after that there was an opportunity. I discussed with Professor Gambari that there is opportunity that you can get some Borsa di Studio or scholarship. So for that I have to compete with other students which were already available for this seat. So I was fortunate enough that I got this scholarship, and after that I didn't look back. I keep on doing my research on different research projects, and once I finished those, luckily I got another one in the Borsa di Studio for my after finish my this scholarship. So yeah, that's how it all started. It has really helped me to work as a focused researcher, not as a someone who's thinking some other points or other things. Yeah. This scholarship is not only important for me that it helps me financially, but this is a great opportunity created by Karagimo Foundation that to harness my skills, but also in a way that I could work with different research projects depending on their scenarios. Right now I'm working on cystic fibrosis, and most probably specifically if I keep telling you about my research is on microRNA. I'm working on PNA masking strategy to devise a plan to do such a novel strategy to introduce such therapy in cystic fibrosis. As you know, that is a genetic disorder. So for that, what I am doing, I'm trying to devise a new research therapy so we can, I will not say that we will be able to solve this problem of genetic disorder, but what we can do that we can devise a new research plan so that this specific disease could be decreased in a molecular level, and we can sort out some different ways to handle this genetic disorder. Okay. Speaking frankly, that research is bit sometimes it is very hard thing to do. You know, you have to work sometime continuously, so it becomes boring. But if you have a good research environment, if you have a good people around you, it really helps you to grow not only as a researcher but also as a person. So for me, this lab has been a blessing, because also the overall environment here is really encouraging, competitive. So it pushed me harder to do something which has been never done before. So I'm really privileged to be part of this specific community and the lab. So I could experience different things which I never done before. So I would love to continue my research career for long, as soon as I can, and then to teach whatever experience I get from here to other students, to convey that experience to other young researchers. Like your foundation helped me to grow as a person, to grow as a researcher. So that's what I would expect from myself, to convey that thing to other persons. It doesn't matter who are they. For me, important thing is that whatever I learn, new techniques, new technology, or whatever it is, I could convey that thing to other researchers, whether it's theoretically, practically, or by publications. Yeah.
Grazie.
think you are giving motivation to lot of young researcher like me to do something which is never done before, to push yourself out of your boundaries. Like everyone has a boundary, but sometimes you have to take some steps out of your boundaries, and that's what I learned here. That was the most important thing from me. Even though I can go to some other country to get scholarship, but important thing was to find the research lab and the people, the environment where I can work independently, but also most important, the work the way I want to work. So this is very important for me. Also this lab and overall this group. Yeah. So thank you.
Yeah.